This is my favorite sweet corns and cream recipe. First, boil the corns until soft. Better to boil a little bit longer, like 10, 15, 20 minutes until the skin gets soft. And then discard the water, add chicken stocks. Organic's better, homemade is better. And then use hand mixer to blend it very well. I do it for a few minutes or 5 minutes or so until it blends very well. And now the next step is to add either milk or heavy creams. I most of the time add just milks. If I add heavy cream, it adds a very nice creamy texture and it has a flavor too. So yes, I just add a little bit of heavy cream and then a little bit of milk if I want to add both. And then mix very well and heat up until it boils one time and then that's it. I could add a black pepper just to give a kick. Black peppers and corn soup really goes well. And let it cool down and serve. Store the leftover in a fridge or in a refrigerator.